Well, looks like Louisiana has celebrated a big victory, right? You may have heard by now, a Louisiana judge has temporarily blocked the state from enforcing an abortion ban for the second time. Well, that's the good thing, because it gives women in that state the right to choose. We're showing the Republicans that they're full of it, you know? We're showing Republicans that they can't mess with this sacred right. And we must continue to do that in every state, all around our country. So, abortions are once again legal in Louisiana after a state court on Tuesday granted a temporary restraining order against the state's ban that took effect following the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. By the way, that's the way I took the 11th off. I had to mourn the death of Roe v. Wade. The court order allows abortion services in the state to resume at least until July 18th, when a hearing is set to consider whether a preliminary injunction should be issued. It's just the latest legal twist for Louisiana's abortion ban, which was temporarily blocked last month by a state district judge, which is good. The state's attorney general asked the state Supreme Court to step in, and it kicked it back to the lower court. There, a different judge, Ethel S. Julian, ruled Friday that the New Orleans court did not have the authority to pause the law, as the case was transferred to a Baton Rouge state court. The move cleared the way for the state's trigger law to immediately take effect and blocked abortion clinics in the state from operating. The abortion ban remained in place until Baton Rouge District Judge Donald Johnson's ruling on Tuesday. The Center for Reproductive Rights, one of the legislators in the case, has asked the court in Baton Rouge to permanently block the ban. These ones must be blocked permanently in every state. This is an incredible relief for people who need abortion care right now in Louisiana. Abortion care in the state can resume today, and further, irreparable harm has been avoided. Jenny Ma, senior staff attorney at the Center for Reproductive Rights, said in a statement Tuesday, "Our work continues, and we now look ahead to our hearing on Monday, which we will ask the judge to block the bans more permanently." Yes! Because these bans are so hateful. They come from a hateful amount of Republicans. Louisiana Attorney General Jeff Landry, meanwhile, tweeted from his verified account Tuesday that the people of Louisiana have spoken both directly to ballot box and through their elected legislature again and again and again, not only statutorily, but also constitutionally. To have the judiciary create a legal circus is disappointing, and what creates the institutions we rely upon for a stable society, Landry said. The rule of law must be followed, and I will not rest until it is. Unfortunately, we will have to wait a bit longer for that to happen. The Supreme Court's majority decision to strike down the 1973 landmark Roe v. Wade ruling, which established a federal right to abortion, has led states like Louisiana to implement their own abortion laws. Wanting to keep abortion legal is still, in my opinion, a protest. We must do it. We must show these Republicans that they have no power, not one bit of power when it comes to abortion. Because they don't. The Supreme Court's majority decision to strike down the 1973 landmark Roe v. Wade ruling, which established a federal right to abortion, has led states like Louisiana to implement their own abortion laws. The High Court ruling has, as anticipated, already resulted in a patchwork system across the country, in which access to the protecture is, for many people, it's determined largely by whether a state is controlled by Republicans or Democrats. These abortion laws, by wanting to keep abortion legal, must continue to happen. We must show the Republicans that they have no power when it comes to abortion. They may think they could take it away, and they might have, but no. They have no sense in this. They have not one bit of power when it comes to this. I'll be back, and I'll see you in the next one.